Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can enable or disable set data usage limit on the Samsung Galaxy S22 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen, and on the home screen swipe down at the top and tap on the settings icon. In settings, go down and tap on connections. Then we go down and tap on data usage. Next, go down and tap on billing cycle and data warning. Next, tap on set data limit. Tap on the toggle button to switch it on or switch it off. It said that mobile data will be turned off when the specified limit is reached. Now tap on the switch to toggle it on, and after that you can tap on data limit and change your data limit in here. And that's it. Finally, you can tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.